What's up YouTube, Demon Sparks here today again as always, and here's a little bit of a teaser update for the Volcano. So we have some new aluminum purple anodized parts installed for the front. Waiting on the chassis still for this one. Here's the rear hubs with the bearing is installed. You can see the wheels rotate very nicely, very smooth because of the bearings to replace the bushings. So here's the two hubs for the rear. Nothing is Loctited down, it's just thrown together for the time being until I get the chassis. Then I'm going to go over and Loctite everything, of course, for the aluminum parts, of course. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more soon to come.